We found this filthy system over the weekend. 4 years old, never been cleaned. Also, down here, 1/4-inch liquid line on a high efficiency system. That is a no-no. See how dirty this thing was? Oh, Mr. Cool next door too. What's up? We went ahead and cleaned this puppy out. Look at all this chocolate milk. That's what we call this stuff coming out of this thing down here at the bottom.
Look at all that. Look at that chocolate milk. Look at all that chocolate milk. You see chocolate milk?
So satisfying to clean this thing up. Listen, if you're in the North Texas area, particularly North Dallas area, and would like your system cleaned for free, reach out to HVAC Double Agent.